Hello students, welcome to YourPedia platform. I am your mentor Rohit Singh and today we are going to be doing NPTEL assignment question of subject CPM and PERT, which is on page number 186 as question number 40 of this booklet. So here in this question they have given you a table consisting of activities on the left hand side, and along with that they have also given you the different time estimates for each activity. Basically what are these time estimates is the A, which is A time estimate given to you in this table, is basically the optimistic time, and optimistic time is the minimum time required by the activity if all the conditions are in favor of that activity. Along with that, the M stands for TM, or most likely time. So most likely time is the time taken by activity if all the conditions are normal, whereas the B is the pessimistic time, and pessimistic time is the time taken by the activity if all the conditions go adverse. Along with that, they are also asking you to calculate the expected time and variance for each activity, and on the basis of that they have given you 4 statements and asking you which of the following statements is true. Okay, so let's start this question. So as we all know that expected time TE for any activity in PERT analysis is given by TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6, where TO is optimistic time, and here in this question this is the value given as A. So this is optimistic time. So this is optimistic time and this is the minimum time. TM is most likely time when conditions are normal to us, and TP is pessimistic time when conditions go adverse. So these are the 3 time estimates given to us, and on the basis of that we can easily find the expected time of any activity as TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. Along with that, we also know that the variance for any activity is sigma square, and that is equal to TP minus TO divided by 6 raised to power 2. Basically again the TP is pessimistic time and the TO is optimistic time, which is divided by 6 raised to power 2, and this will give us the variance for each activity. Okay, so let's start solving this question. So what we'll do is we'll calculate the expected time and variance for each activities like 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 5 and 4, 5, and after that we will read the statements and we'll see which of the following statements is correct. So let us start our question with activity 1 to 2. So for activity 1 to 2 we already have the TO as 6, TM is 10 and TP is 12, and we know that TE is TO plus 4TM plus TP. Therefore our expected time TE will become equal to TO, which is 6, since TO is 6, so 6 plus 4 times TM, and TM in this for this 1 to 2 activity is 10, so this is 10 plus TP, which is the pessimistic time, and for pessimistic time for activity 1 to 2 is given as 12, divide by 6 and you will get the value of the TE. So solve this and you will get the value of TE as 9.667. So the value of TE for activity 1 to 2 comes out to be 9.667. Along with that we can easily calculate the variance as well. So variance, which is sigma square, so variance for activity 1 to 2, which is sigma square, will be equal to TP minus TO divided by 6 raised to power 2, and we already know that TP is 12 and TO is 6. Therefore this will come out as 12 minus 6 divided by 6 raised to power 2, and this will come out as 1. So the TE for activity 1 to 2 is 9.667 and the variance for activity 1 to 2 is 1. After that let us also solve for the next activity, and for next activity we have, so the next activity which we have is 1 to 3. So for activity 1 to 3 now we are calculating the TE and the variance. So basically we already know that the formula of TE will remain same, which is TO plus 4 times TM plus TP divided by 6. So and these values are already given to us. So TO is 8, TM is 12 and TP is 15. So let us substitute these values. You will get 8 plus 4 times 12, which is TM, plus 15 divided by 6. Solve this and you will get the value of TE, which is the expected time for activity 1 to 3, and this comes out to be 11.833. After this, we can also solve the variance value or the sigma square value of this activity 1 to 3, and this will be equal to TP, which is 15, minus TO divided by 6 raised to power 2, and this becomes equal to, this comes out to be equal to 1.36. So the variance for activity 1 to 3 is 1.36, and the expected time TE for activity 1 to 3 is 11.8333. Along with that, we can also calculate these TE for the next activity as well. So our next activity will be, our next activity is 1 to 4. So for activity 1 to 4, let us first calculate TE, which will be, again we'll be using the same formula, that is TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6, and for 1 to 4 TO is 4, TM is 12 and TP is 14. So let us substitute these values. So TO is 4 plus 4 times TM, and TM is 12 plus TP is 14 for activity 1 to 4 divided by 6, and you will get the value of TE. From this you will get the value of TE as 11. After that, you can also calculate the variance for the activity 1 to 4. So variance we already know, this is equal to TP minus TO divided by 6 raised to power 2, and we already have TP and TO for the activity 1 to 4. So this will be TP is 14 and TO is 4. So this will be equal to 14 minus 4 divided by 6 raised to power 2. So on solving this, you will get the variance for the activity 1 to 4, and this will come out to be 2.77. So this is the variance for the activity 1 to 4. So now we have calculated the expected time and variance of 3 activities. Now let us come on to our next activity, which is 2 to 5. So for 2 to 5, TO is 6, TM is 8 and TP is 9. So now let us again do the same process in order to find the, so that will be activity for 2 to 5 activity. We will get TE basically is TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6, and TO for that is, TO for 2 to 5 is 6, 8 and 9. Okay, so let us substitute these values. So this will be 6 plus 4 times 8, which is TM, plus 9 divided by 6. Solve this and you will get the value of TE, which is the expected time, and the expected time will come out to be equal to 7.833. After that, we can also calculate the variance for this activity, which is 2 to 5, and variance we already know, this is equal to TP minus TO divided by 6 raised to power 2 or whole square, and TP we already know, this is 9, TO is 6, so this will be 9 minus 6 divided by 6 raised to power 2, and this will come out to be equal to 0.25. So now we have calculated the expected time and variance for the activity 2 to 5 as well as. So now let's move on to our next activity. So the next activity will be 3 to 5. So for 3 to 5, the TO is 2, TM is 6 and TP is 13. So again we will do the same process. So now for 3 to 5, we are performing the TE, or we are asking to find out the expected time for this activity, and again the formula will remain same, T0 plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. So TE will come out to be equal to, now all we need to do is substitute the values. So TO is 2, TM is 6 and 13. So this will be 2 plus 4 times 6 plus 13 divided by 6, and this will come out to be equal to 6.5. So now we have already calculated the expected time. So what left for activity 3 to 5 is sigma square, which is the variance, and this will be equal to TP minus T naught divided by 6 raised to power 2, and TP is 13, so this will be 13 minus 2 divided by 6 and raised to power 2, so this will come out to be equal to 3.36. So now we have calculated the expected time and variance for 5 activities. Only one activity is left, which is activity 4 to 5, and 4 to 5 activity we have TO as 6, TP is 18 and TM is 12, right? So now let's come on to this activity. This was activity 4 to 5. So now we are calculating for activity 4 to 5. So for activity 4 to 5, we are aiming to calculate the expected time, and the expected time we already know the formula, which is TO plus 4 times TM plus TP divided by 6, and we have the values of TO as 6 plus 4 times TM is 12 plus TP is 18 divided by 6. From this you will get the value of TE, or the expected time for the activity 4 to 5, equal to 12. After that, what left is sigma square, or the variance. So the variance for activity 4 to 5 will be equal to TP minus TO divided by 6 raised to power 2, and this will be equal to 18 minus 6 divided by 2 raised to power 2, and this will be equal to 18 minus 6 is 12, 12 divided by, this is 6, 12 divided by 6 is 2, so this will come out to be 4. So now we have calculated the expected time and variance of all the activities. Now let us read the statements and see which of the statements is true. So for that, let us come back to our question. So let me change the color of the pen. So now read the question. So first statement is the expected time for activity 1 to 4 is 10. So let's see what we got for activity 1 to 4. So for activity 1 to 4, we got the expected time as 11. So this is not 10. So this statement is false. This is not true. So let's come on to the next statement. In the next statement, so this is not true. In the next statement, they are saying the variance for activity 1 to 3 is 1.36. So now let's come on to the activity 1 to 3. So for activity 1 to 3, we got the variance value as 1.36. So this was correct. So this statement is true. So this statement is true. This is correct. After that, they are asking the largest expected time occurs for activity 1 to 3. So now let us see which of the following has the largest expected time. So now we see the expected time for activity 1 to 2 is 9.67. For activity 1 to 3 is 11.83. After that, the expected time for 1 to 4 is 11, and expected time for 2 to 5 is 7.833. After that, the last activity is 3 to 5, and we got the expected time as 6.5. So we can see that the largest expected times does not occur for activity 1 to 3. So because this is 11.88, and we also got the expected time as 12. So this statement is not true. So the largest variance is for activity 3 to 5 is again the false statement. So the correct answer to the question will be, question number 40 will be B option, which is the variance for activity 1 to 3 is 1.36. So in this way, we can easily solve the various questions regarding expected time and variance of CPM and PERT subject, right? So thanks for watching and keep watching for more interesting videos like this. Have a nice day. Thank you.